In this video, I'll discuss how to use the SaeboStim One on multiple patients in a clinical setting. It doesn't matter which setting you work in, the process is pretty simple. It all truly depends on how large a facility you are and how many neurological patients you treat. For example, we have large hospitals that utilize up to 15 SaeboStim One units for their inpatient and acute centers alike. And we have small hospitals and outpatient clinics utilizing up to 5 units for their daily treatment caseload. Before we dive in, let's do a quick review on the SaeboStim One. Also, if you're watching this on YouTube, please click the subscription button below or click like or leave us some comments. Just a review, there are 5 pieces of the SaeboStim One that you will need to run a successful electrical stimulation protocol in your facility. They are the controller unit, the wings, the gel pads, the poly bag, and the charger. The controller unit is this little white electrical stimulation unit that fits nicely into your pocket. Because it's easy to transport, it can be carried from patient to patient for easy application throughout the day. Also, it holds up to 24 hours of stimulation ability, so it only needs to be charged every 1 to 2 treatment days. Next, you have your wings and your gel pads. Each set of wings is meant to be used on one patient at a time, as well as the gel pads that are attached to the wings. Then, for sanitary purposes, when the client is not using the wings for intervention, you may store it in a clearly marked poly bag that comes with your device. Finally, at the end of the day, you can return to your computer or another USB electrical plug in the charger, and connect the controller unit for charging. Then, when you arrive in the facility the next day, your controller unit will be fully charged and waiting for another day of work. Now, you may be asking yourself, how do I use it in an inpatient or outpatient setting? So, let me tell you. For those of you in an acute or inpatient setting, the process is very simple. Each client gets their own unit. This is to maximize the amount of electrical stimulation that can occur in the off time from therapy, and facilitates a multidisciplinary approach. We recommend spending a little bit of time teaching the nurses, the support staff, and the caregivers and the patient how to use the device to maximize the use during their hospital stay. Did you know that research shows that shoulder subluxation can begin to occur in as little as 2 weeks after stroke? Wouldn't it be nice to combat that immediately and easily? The good news is you can with the SaeboStim One, and it's so versatile you can use it on many other muscle groups, like the biceps or the triceps, just to name a few. If you are working in an outpatient setting, you're going to need fewer units, but more wings and gel pads. Here's how it works. After using the device with patient A, pop off the wings with the gel pad still attached, and place them into the poly bag, clearly labeled patient A. Then, disinfect the controller unit with a rag and a disinfectant. When ready to use the device with patient B, take out the wings, connect the controller unit to the wings, and then apply stimulation to the patient B. When using separate wings, you maintain hygiene between patients while allowing you to maximize the intended 10 to 12 uses from the gel pads, thus decreasing gel pad consumption. Also, replacing the gel pads after every patient is not only wasteful, but also increases your chances of damaging the wings. Having one set of wings per patient lengthens the amount of time that you can use each wing. No matter what setting you work in, to reuse your wings, you need to gently roll off the gel pads, remove any excess gel that may be on the wings, and disinfect them with a cleaner of your choice. Don't forget to inspect them for any damage prior to being used on another client. At the same time, you'll want to clean your poly bag on the inside and the outside of the bag and allow it to fully dry. We suggest you store your clean wings inside a clean poly bag until you're ready to use them to help avoid damage and cross-contamination while in storage. I hope this video has helped you understand how easy it is to use the SaeboStim One on multiple patients in your facility. For more information on the SaeboStim One or any of our other innovative devices, please go to our website at www.saebo.com or call our toll-free number. Because with Saebo, there is no plateau in sight.